In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Shopify themes step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Now, select Themes to access your current Shopify theme section. Inside the Themes page, click on Visit Theme Store. This will open the Shopify Theme Store where you can browse both free and paid themes for your online store. You can use filters to sort themes by industry, catalog size, layout style, or pricing to find the perfect match for your business. If you're just starting out, free themes are a great option. But if you want more advanced customization and premium features, explore the paid themes section. When you find a theme you like, click on it to preview the design and features. Take time to check the homepage layout, product pages, mobile responsiveness, and customization options. Once you're ready, click Buy or Try Theme depending on the theme type. If it's a paid theme, Shopify will guide you through the payment process before adding the theme to your account. After purchasing, the theme will appear in your themes library where you can customize colors, fonts, layouts, and branding before publishing it live. Choosing the right Shopify theme can make a huge difference in your store's appearance, customer experience, and overall sales performance. Thanks for watching.